Hello Zephyr gang, today we will be doing a tutorial for BTD6 on the Dart Monkey. So the Dart Monkey is the first monkey you unlock in the game, and it's pretty good, just overall. Today I will be telling you how to use and what is the best way to use each path, and which paths are good, and which really aren't. Alright. So first, the Dart Monkey. If you're just putting down your free Dart Monkey, and you just want something that you'll never come back to, it'll just be there to help just that tiny bit, I would recommend going triple shots, and then advanced eyesight. But if you want to actually work on the monkey, I would suggest doing very quick shots, enhanced eyesight, and then going down the crossbow path. If you're going down the crossbow path, you don't want him being just like right to the side of a track. You want him being like across from a track, because the crossbow path has very good pierce. If you see that, we can send in some ceramics. The bottom path crossbow also does the bottom path crossbow also does crits, which all that combined, I would say this is the best path for most maps. And then that it's also really helpful that with monkey knowledge you can get 2 of them. So next we're gonna go to the top path. Juggernaut, if you're doing this, it depends what cross path you go for. If it already is in like a village or NTN that's already giving a camo eyesight, then you don't care about long range. Go quick shots. But if it's not, then I would highly suggest doing enhanced eyesight, because that just makes it better. Juggernaut can hit. Juggernaut combined with enhanced eyesight can pop all balloons. Ultra Juggernaut is not very good on this map, because alright, let's send out some Moabs. See? It can't really use its bouncing projectiles, so let's go to a different map, like Scrapyard. The Ultra Juggernaut will be much better on Scrapyard. Why? Because if we get them all right here, and then we send out some ceramics. Alright, well, if it hit the right way, they would bounce all over the place. Let's send out some. Alright, maybe not necessarily this map, but a map that has a bunch of obstacles for the for the other parts to bounce off of and create a mess. Alright, so now middle path. Triple shots, at least for me, is the furthest you want to go. The rest is just a waste of money. So Super Monkey Fan Club, it's just not that good. So I don't like upgrades that are just for the ability. Like, that's the only reason you got it, is for the ability. And that makes it all and the ability isn't even really that good. It just turns monkeys into super monkeys for like 30 seconds. And it's about 3 times as expensive as just one super monkey. And they're not even upgraded super monkeys. And even with the Plasma Monkey Fan Club, $36,000. And it does the same thing, except it turns these monkeys into this, which costs about $10,000. And this is only for about 30 seconds. This is for all of eternity. So the top pack is just not that good. And then Paragon, there's a reason why so many people get it. It's cheap or compared to other Paragons. It has the bouncing things, but like no matter if there's obstacles on your map or not, those things are gonna bounce everywhere. Yeah, so that has been the guide to the Dart Monkey.